नमस्कार। विश्वधर्मी प्राध्यापक डॉक्टर विश्वनाथ कराड सर की कर्मभूमि MIT विद्यापीठ, MIT वर्ल्ड पीस यूनिवर्सिटी के इस पुणे प्रांगण में मैं प्रसाद खुरवे आप सभी का हार्दिक स्वागत करता हूँ। पिछले 14 वर्षों से डॉक्टर राहुल विश्वनाथ कराड सर की परिकल्पना से MIT स्कूल ऑफ गवर्नमेंट द्वारा एशिया की सबसे बड़ी भारतीय छात्र संसद का सफल आयोजन किया जा रहा है। यह मंच देश भर के युवाओं और छात्रों को राष्ट्रीय स्तर पर एक सशक्त और प्रभावी मंच प्रदान करता है। तो चलिए विचारों के साथ, संवाद के साथ और राष्ट्र निर्माण के संकल्प के साथ इस लोकतंत्र की यात्रा की शुरुआत करते हैं। इस वर्ष से MIT वर्ल्ड पीस यूनिवर्सिटी के पृथ्वी ग्लोब से चाणक्य बिल्डिंग तक पैवेलियन की एक नई संकल्पना का आरंभ होने जा रहा है। देश को स्वतंत्रता मिले 75 वर्ष पूर्ण होने के अवसर पर इन 75 वर्षों की प्रगति का आलेख और समग्र समीक्षा इन प्रदर्शनी के माध्यम से प्रस्तुत की जाएगी। विश्वविद्यालय के विभिन्न स्कूलों और विभागों के माध्यम से यह प्रदर्शनी प्रदर्शित की जाएगी। तो चलिए इन पंडालों में एक चक्कर लगा के आते हैं।
तो जैसा कि अभी हम देख रहे हैं, मैं बाइक पर बैठा हुआ हूँ और ये बाइक हमारे MIT के छात्रों ने बनाई है। ये किसी कंपनी से नहीं लाई गई है। तो आप देख सकते हैं कि कितनी क्रिएटिविटी हमारे पूरे छात्रों के पास और हमारे दोस्तों के पास है। उन्होंने इतने बड़े एफर्ट्स लिए हैं। जैसे कि मैं बाइक पे बैठा हूँ तो आपको तो अंदाज़ा आ ही होगा कि मैं अभी मैकेनिकल डिपार्टमेंट में आया हूँ और अभी इस पंडाल में हम पूरे बाइक होगी, कार होगी या अलग अलग इन्वेंशंस हो गए जो हमारे छात्रों ने किए हैं, उसे हम जानेंगे, देखेंगे और पहचानेंगे।
Hello, so we are Team Bolt. We are official electric two-wheeler designing and manufacturing team of MIT WPU. We take part in multiple competitions like SAE, Morphine, FMA Motor Student India. We recently took part in FMA with this bike, which is Agneya, where we won All India Rank 1 with multiple other awards like acceleration and brakes and design presentation and caution evaluation. And so this bike has a top speed of 120 km per hour with a range of 100 kilometers. And for the chassis we use chromoly, and for the swing arm we use aluminium. So we are going to take part in Motor Student Spain also this year, and we're working hard for it. We got multiple innovations as well. We use track optimization, which detects the shortest distance between 2 points. We got emergency stop button, which shut down the entire bike if anything goes wrong, which is closer to the rider itself. And yeah, so this year we're going to take part in multiple other competitions and we are working hard for it. This bike is made completely from scratch by us students. And so yeah, we're learning a lot from it and we're getting a lot of knowledge and skill set from this.
हम मैकेनिकल डिपार्टमेंट को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं। यहाँ पे हमने टाइमलाइन शो किया है 1947 से 2026 तक। 2026 तक यानी कि 1947 से 2026 तक क्या क्या बदलाव मैकेनिकल डिपार्टमेंट में या फिर मैकेनिकल इंजीनियर्स ने किए हैं वो हमने शो किया है। उसके बाद में हमने अंदर इंडस्ट्री 1.0 शो किया है। इंडस्ट्री 1.0 में मतलब पुराने ज़माने में कैसे मेजर इंडस्ट्रीज थे, एनर्जी सोर्सेज थे, उसके बाद में मेन फीचर्स, उसके बाद में इंडस्ट्री 2.0 शो किए, उसके बाद में की इन्वेंशन है, इम्पैक्ट है, उसके मेन फीचर्स है। तो यहाँ पर हमने शो किया है इंडस्ट्री 1.0, 2.0 और 3.0। इंडस्ट्री 1.0 में हमने बताया एंशिएंट टाइम में मेजर इंडस्ट्री एनर्जी सोर्सेज क्या करते थे। उसके बाद में 2.0 में हमने बताया इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, इंटरनल कंबशन एनर्जी। उसके बाद में 3.0 में हमने बताया कंप्यूटर्स, उसके बाद में रोबोट्स। उसके बाद में 4.2 भी हमने इधर रिवॉल्यूशन बताया है। 4.2 का रिवॉल्यूशन इधर है इंडस्ट्री इंटरनेट थिंग्स से हमने कनेक्ट किया है, इंटरनेट से कनेक्ट किया, आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस भी आया उसके अंदर। उसके बाद में मैकेनिकल इंजीनियर्स द नेशन बिल्डर्स।
हम हैं मैकेनिकल इंजीनियर्स द नेशन बिल्डर्स। सो वी आर मूविंग ऑन टू इंडस्ट्री 5.0. इंडस्ट्री 5.0 आता currently we are working on, we are having AI startups, we are having digital, we are going fully digital on mechanical engineers. We are showing sustainable development goals on our stall. We are showing it very rigorously. These are our major headlines from India, where we are showcasing Mars, Chandrayaan 2, major 5.0 industries like Tata, TCS. We are showing everything. In MIT WPO, we as a Department of Mechanical Engineers, we are having 15 clubs associated with us. These are the major clubs who are gotten into Department of Mechanical Engineering. We have our awards.
These are the kits mechanical department has provided, on which we can experiment, code, and experiment the robotic unique ideas which students have, and they can experiment the visual ideas on these prototypes. These are the kits are provided by our department, wherein we can code in our Python language, C language, C++ language, and experiment the various ideas on robotics which we are thinking of. So we need a medium to implement that. So this is the medium which our department has provided. We have various other equipments too in our department. We experiment various stuffs on that. We have various clubs which experiment, which produces cars, then bikes, then hyperloops. We have various vast varieties of club. We have many organizations like ASME, MESA, which is entirely coordinating with this. Then we have ISA. These are all student-run organization. Everything is planned, executed, and coordinated by students. We are learning side by side everything over and all. We also have a theme in DLGP wherein the implementation was democracy, leadership, governance, and public policy. So we have implemented, brainstormed the idea wherein we identified the major pillars: democracy, leadership, governance, and public policy. The sub-pillars of democracy, the sub-pillars of leadership, and same for governance and public policy. It is a fun activity wherein a people, when a student or a faculty or a guest comes, whatever he feels that most crucial is in the democracy pillar, like liberty, equality, whatever he thinks should be given the most priority, he just circles the wool. Going ahead, 1 point from leadership, 1 point from governance, 1 point from public policy. At last, we get a threads of various connections. So we call it Threads of India. At last, at the end of the day, we just find which topic has got most threads. So that's how we get to know that on which topic more people are focusing on. So this is our motive of an activity wherein students, alumni, faculty, and everyone can involve. So this is our mechanical engineering association who have coordinated and tried to implement all this stuff by coordinating with various clubs like Bolt, Vegapod, Axel Racers, Piranha Racing, then Pro Karters. So yeah, thank you.
We are Team Sky Troopers. I am Quintessa. I'm part of the Structures Club, and today I'll show you one of our planes. This is Yin Yang. It is a VTOL plane, that means it vertically takes off and lands. It is made fully out of PLA. Each of the motors has a 4.3 kg thrust and has a total of 8.6 kg thrust.
Hi, I'm Netal. I'm from manufacturing department, and this is a plane Sky 201. It is completely handcrafted. It is made up of balsa and ply. This landing gear is 3D printed with PLA, and it is an aerobatic plane. It is capable of doing inverted rolls, barrel rolls, spins, rolls, etc. We participate in many competitions such as IIT Bombay Tech Fest, SAE India, Technocean, etc. This plane participated in Technocean 2023, which was held at Delhi, and we won All India Rank 1 in 2024 at IIT Bombay Tech Fest. We also won All India Rank 3 in Technical PPT in 2025 in SAE DDC competition.
Hello everyone, we are Team Acceleracers Electric. We are the official Formula student team of MIT World Peace University, Pune. We fully design and manufacture a Formula student car and participate in various national and international competitions such as Supra SAE India and Formula Bharat. I will hand my mic to a friend and he will introduce you to our team.
Hello, we are Team Acceleracers, and our main goal is to focus on EV optimization and performance optimization. So we design and fabricate all components of the vehicle in-house, from the chassis to various subsystems such as suspension, braking, and the powertrain. To focus on performance optimization and sustainability in the manufacturing process, we make sure to use as many eco-friendly materials as possible. And to focus on performance, we use materials such as carbon fiber, glass fiber, etc. to reduce the weight of the vehicle. To focus on EV sustainability and innovation, being an EV team, we have two main goals. One, EV sustainability, and two, performance optimization. To gain our goals in the performance optimization sector, we make sure to use lightweight material such as carbon fiber and also eco-friendly material to reduce our carbon footprint. To focus on EV sustainability and innovation, we make sure to build the entire electric powertrain system in-house. We make the whole battery system and the high voltage system in-house to make sure that the EV safety and sustainability is achieved.
Our aim was to showcase how mechanical department was part of nation's growth and success. we showcase various clubs and we try to showcase how in our industrial revolution from 1.0 to 5.0, the sustainable goals which our college aims to, the headlines of news article which took us to next levels. We also showcased various clubs which makes bikes, cars and everything. So our only slogan and motto is, we are mechanical engineers. The nation builders. We are mechanical engineers. The nation builders. We are mechanical engineers. The nation builders. Thank you.